that's good. There you go. So what we want to make sure is we want to make sure that the 3 holes are facing to the front of the machine, because if you have it backwards like this and you go to install it, it'll never catch the back clip. So always make sure that those clips are in just like that. And then when we move to the front, the foam stays on, and then when we move to the front, these clips with the 2 eyelets are facing the back of the machine, so that when you go and install that, they'll line up, and then you can put your final screws in along the side on these clips. And if you notice, these clips, the eyelets are facing the front of the machine, and this bottom eyelet is facing the back of the machine. So just take a look how these go, and you'll make the installation a lot easier on this machine. That's it. Yeah, so that'll line up. Yep. So like right there. So that'll line up right there, and that'll line up right there.